On the 2nd of August 2025, police were dispatched to a suburban apartment after a young woman secretly reported that her mother had been abusive.
Have any weapons on you, right?
No.
Okay, can I just make sure? Can you lift your hands up?
Look, this is this. I was potty training the baby today.
Okay.
I'm tired of doing all the work for the child. You know, she got nothing. She act like, you know, she wanted my, oh, she don't have an ID or she can't use her ID with her job for buying alcohol. So she buys alcohol using my ID. And I told her, I'm tired of that.
Okay. Do you mind taking a seat and I can talk to you right here? Are you okay?
Let me show you my, no, she attacked me. My hip may be sore.
Well, do you want me to get you an ambulance?
No, because
Okay,
you all take me there and then you talk about psychotic. I'm not. I'm tired of that crapola. I just talk to my people. I'm moving and she's not going to know where I'm moving to.
All right, can you just set that down and can we just talk? I need to find out what happened today. I got to make sure you guys are okay and all that stuff.
I just told you about 10 minutes ago.
I know, but I got to see if you have any injury. Can I see you?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you can take a seat first and I'll see if there's any injury.
Okay. Okay.
And then whatever injury you have on your body, I'll have a female officer come and check that, okay?
Okay.
All right, can I see your head?
Okay. Yeah, you can do it. I don't have a dent. Ugh, but she hurt my hip.
Okay.
But she body slammed me.
She said she grabbed you by your hair?
Yeah, she grabbed me by my hair. See how nappy it is? It
Okay.
just got done, you know?
Can we see that actual injury, please?
No, ain't no, she...
No visible injury, you don't think?
No, she pulled my hair and slammed me back.
What
That's
part
why
of it?
my hip is hurting.
Okay. All right, you sure you want me to get you an ambulance to make sure your hip's
I'm
okay?
fine. I just want her to leave my house today. She can't be evicted right now, but when I go to renew my lease, I'm moving and she won't know where I'm at.
Okay. All right. Can I
I have
just
some
start off
people
by
who's
getting
gonna
your...
work with me
Okay.
to get her out of the house.
Okay,
What's your
so...
first one?
Yeah, then what's
I
your...
need to live by myself.
How long...
None of these kids, none of my sisters, none of my family members need to. If you go look in that drawer, officer, you right. Tell him he right. I heard she's a behavioral candidate. Okay, but not this time. I took my medicine.
You took your
early this
medicine
morning,
today?
twice a morning. Yes, I'm about to take it to calm down, but I would like her to go to my sister's house. Do you think I should stay here? Look how I look.
I wouldn't recommend it, no.
Oh, okay, I'm going to stay here. I want her to go. This is my apartment. May I show you my Section 8 lease?
No, I know all that. I want to know... No, it's okay. I want to figure out what happened today with the battery. So you
Because
said you were
I
hungry.
was trying to ask her about some fried chicken.
Correct.
Okay, we have been sharing both freezers, but I have put some emergency chicken like I always do in case... You know, I just want to cook.
Yeah.
She do Hello Fresh.
Correct.
And she eat out a lot. Because of it, my stomach is little. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I can't eat everything and all things. So we just went to a restaurant. Okay?
All of you guys, all three of you?
We went to some place she wanted to stop. I don't want to stop. I want to go home and fry me some chicken is what I'm thinking. But
Okay.
she stopped off and say, I'm going to treat you. She act like she's my man.
Police found a mother and daughter locked in a bitter dispute. Lisa accused her daughter of attacking her, while officers noted the conflict stemmed from long-standing family tensions and a strained living arrangement.
And how long have you guys been living together?
And we've been living together since 2024, okay?
Okay, so since last year.
Yeah. And I didn't know. No, I didn't know. I asked her, I had written a 30-day notice for her to move. I did not no longer need her services. At this point, the women are
She was
here.
taking care of you, correct? Before, that's what she was initially supposed to do?
No. She's on my lease as a Section 8 candidate.
Oh, okay.
If I ask her to no longer be here to work for me, she has to leave.
Okay. Does she have any other place she can go? You said
Yes,
your sister's house?
she has a place.
Your
at
sister?
Yes,
Okay.
I've talked to my sister. She was trying to buy a house. She keeps saying this. She's been saying this for like 8 years now.
Okay. Okay, and then just to make sure, so injury-wise, you said she only pulled your head. Do you know?
No,
do you have any
she didn't
bruising?
pull my hair. She yanked it.
She yanked in and threw you on the floor, and you hit
Threw
your
me
head.
on the floor, and you can see my hip.
And you said you got a hip
My
injury?
hip is hurt, but I don't want to go to no hospital.
Okay. Do you mind if I get a female officer just to make sure to see and take a picture of your hip?
They do that stuff and it don't matter.
Do you?
Like I said.
Do you mind if she does it though?
Yeah, I do mind.
So you don't want a picture
No.
taken? Okay.
Okay. What I do want, I want to at this point show you the lease where she's supposed to take care of me.
Yeah, I've been here before. I remember seeing the lease. So
Okay.
I've been here before.
And they told me then if she have another time that they could ask her to leave. Mm-hmm. Okay. The last time you guys came up with something like this, I panicked.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, they just
stun gun, because she told him some stuff. Oh, when she get drunk, she mocks me and taunts me.
That's your daughter?
Yeah, she's
Okay.
my child.
Okay.
My oldest daughter.
Okay.
And she's a lesbian with a baby.
Okay. Let me go talk to her. Do you mind just hanging out with one of my officers real quick? I'll be right back, okay? I gotta go talk to her
I'd
side.
like somebody to look in that drawer and get my medication.
Okay, I'll do all that. Just hang out for me over here.
Get my phone. Oh, get the brochure, please.
That's fine.
Take a seat, please.
I feel better just
You want to stand up?
Excuse me, guys.
Chanel is
Sure, this is my room.
This one?
Yeah, that's my room. Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Officers spoke with Lisa and, noticing her anxious state, asked to check through the home to ensure everything was safe.
I just want somebody to get my other abuse stuff.
So,
I called
just
them
okay.
so I can make a report on everything that she's been
We're not going to
doing.
make a bunch of phone calls right now. Right? The report is going to be taken. We don't need to be calling.
What information she saying I got? Because I have no information on hers. We live totally separate lives. So whatever she got, she know where it's at. She playing games. She got documents in her car. She got them all in these bins. I would like her to be not detained, but I would like her, I'm requesting her to leave and go to my sister's house so that I can call her and say, please let her stay there until she, till we work it out, because for Section 8 to take her off legally off my lease as somebody here to take care of me, because she's not taking care of me. She's a freeloader and a mooch.
What, you were talking about another facility earlier, right? Or trying to go to another facility?
Listen,
Yes, ma'am.
it's apartments over here private. This is an apartment, a private person. I mean, a private place. It's not a facility.
No, you were talking about...
No,
somebody here.
she bragged about, when I say facility, I mean like complex.
So
I'm
just
sorry.
another apartment.
Complex.
Okay, I
Yeah.
got you. I didn't know if you were talking... I didn't know what...
And I do not, when I leave, she has to leave Aurora. She should go back to South Holland.
Why do you think
She
that?
work, it's quicker for her to get to work than out here, number one.
Mm-hmm.
The reason why I moved out here, facilitating her this address with my Section 8, was because she was supposed to work at Thompson, which her behavior, I found out later, was under investigation.
Where's Thompson? Is that in the city
Thompson, somewhere a couple hours from here. Ask her. She's supposed to tell you.
So I got your whole story. I'm gonna be taking a report for it. All that stuff, the domestic battery that you said happened, all that
And
stuff.
she gonna stay here?
So where we're at right now, I got her side of
Tell
stories. She's
her-
figuring that out right now.
Tell her I like my keys and I like her to leave.
Okay. Well,
I would like her. She got the car. My name is on that car note as a co-signer. I will not take the car from her, but I want my keys so I can lock the
Okay,
door
okay,
so she can do no
we'll get
sneaky
you the-
stuff on me tonight.
okay, we'll get you the keys, but the
Because
other
when your
problem is...
child slam you like
Lisa,
that,
hey.
they will take a knife and put it through your f***ing heart.
All right, Lisa. So at the end of the day, you have a warrant for your RN. It does show that. So if can you stand up
okay.
for me?
I don't have it. What happened is that was dismissed.
Okay, well, you're going to have to figure that out in court. On our end, it shows that it's still active. So
No,
you're gonna have
that's
to go
what
to the
she
PD.
lied about.
No, it
This
says in
is
our
what
system.
happened.
Lisa, can you stand up for me?
Okay.
Can you stand
so
up for
I'm
me,
going
please?
to. Well,
You
I'm
just
going.
got to see a judge tomorrow morning, okay?
Okay.
And then you'll figure it out with the judge, and they'll figure everything out.
I'll go to jail. Can I get?
Yeah, I'll get.
I want my keys before I go, though. I have a right because I have
Yeah,
no way
I'll
to
get
get
you
in
the
my
keys.
house. Tell her to give me my keys now.
Are you guys a case Oh, you're the man?
What began as a heated family argument took a sharp turn once police uncovered an outstanding warrant. Lisa's night ended in handcuffs, with domestic battery added to her charges.
All right, hold on, Lisa. Let me just make sure this doesn't tighten up on
Tell
you.
her to give me my keys now, before she go. Before I go.
Anything out of your purse?
No.
Right now.
No. I want my keys.
All right, Lisa, you're cool with these slippers, or
Tell her I need my keys.
we'll get you the
before I
keys.
go.
We got to get you down here first. We'll figure out the
You
keys.
got to go, girl. You need to go.
This way, Lisa.
You can try all you want to, drinking and
Come on, Lisa,
driving.
let's go.
Girl, wait till I repossess that car. Drinking and driving.
Hey, just watch your step, Lisa. We just don't want you falling. Yep.
Oh, can somebody give me a jacket? Because it just seems really uncool.
Oh, jacket? Yeah, here. Take a step back so you're away from the stairs. We'll get you a jacket.
We're gonna get. Yep.
Yeah, we'll get you a jacket.
I don't mind going in the coat because, people think, I'm the bad person.
Did
you show her?
No, not yet. So, anything else you need? Do you need your phone or anything?
Yeah. What would I need my phone in jail?
You can make some.
Well, to make phone calls if you need to pull
No, they
numbers out.
took it last time, so no.
You will get a few phone calls.
No.
Okay. Up to you if you don't
It's
want.
her phone, and no. I don't need it.
Hey, don't can you grab my shield too? Might as well throw that up. Yeah, you just watch your step. I got you too, just to make sure you're
Wait,
good.
I need two. Wait.
You need two officers?
No, you can't do.
Okay, yeah, I got you. I'll
Just
take.
hold me a little tighter.
Okay, all right. Is that better?
Brittany, I belong to a police officer family a long time ago, so I kind of know the procedure.
All right. You take your time. We don't want you falling down the stairs. So.
Okay.
Oh, I just left you supposed to answer anything.
All right.
We had called about this warrant, me and my daughter, and they told us they had dismissed. Well, they didn't dismiss the case, but what they said, I had to pay $2,000 in fine. But she said she could go to court, my daughter. So
Yeah, like I said, you're supposed
okay,
to
tell the officer to get my phone.
Okay.
Okay, because I will be making a phone
Yeah.
call to my daughter.
Okay.
Maybe she can show up and tell the judge that mom was being attacked. She secretly told about domestic abuse after that and what we was dealing with. My uncle's, and this girl know about it. Sure. Oh my goodness, she done been through all my records. And all she was saying is she ain't got no place to go. Now, I'm gonna go to court and I'm gonna tell that judge she didn't want to tell my. Because that's what she was saying, not me. But that's what she was saying. That's for her, not me. Okay, did you get my old officer?
Yep, I got your I got
to
your
your left?
cards, and
No,
I got
those
your
are hers. I don't want
To
her
the left?
flip flops.
Is this
That's
one?
evil on that. It's almost if you give me
Okay,
those.
we'll get you different flip
I
flops.
just at this point.
Let's just make it down these two steps just to
Okay.
make sure. I don't want you falling, okay?
Listen, I got some
Yeah,
stick.
her daughter.
We'll get that. I just want to get to the floor, okay?
I'm not gonna fall. You see the little skids on here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you want to go upstairs and give me some shoes,
He's grabbing them.
okay, tell him look in the closet for the fur.
Closet with the fur.
First shoes.
Yeah, those are her shoes.
Yeah, I just gave him back to him.
Okay. Let's just make it down over here just so I don't have you coming down the stairs.
Lisa was escorted downstairs, a difficult process made worse by the fact that Building 3 had no lift.
All right, and then we'll bring those shoes with you. Wait, where's your van at? Right over here?
Strong.
Okay. Let's watch the step right over here.
Okay. About 30 feet.
Okay, hold me over here.
Yep, all right, I got you. There it is. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll do another one. Ready? All right, we'll help you up. Try to lift up. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Watch your head. And last one, all right? 1, 2, 3. All right.
Sit against the wall over there, okay?
Stay low.
One of those seats, left or right.
Okay. All right.
It's a more comfortable ride if you scoot over there, okay? It's less bumpy. It's up to you.
Right here.
Okay, I'll stay there now.
In the end, Lisa was taken into custody, facing both the outstanding warrant and a new domestic battery charge. Cases like this serve as a reminder that unresolved family conflict can quickly spiral into something far more serious. For police, safety must always come first, and for families, seeking help before tensions boil over may be the difference between peace at home and a night in handcuffs.